happened when they do a video together. I didn't know it was going to happen like this.
Wow.
A voicemail.
Yeah, I didn't think either. I didn't think it'd be a big deal.
I didn't think they would even know who it was. We didn't.
He's very mad. He told Betty if she didn't get it straightened out, she's going to get it.
Really?
That he ain't going to be that. He won't give her $40 more no more on videos. That she'll just get 20.
Oh wow, that's his threat. That's his big threat, huh? Well, he's got.
She knows that she has it hard.
Did you?
I didn't know all this was going to get on that what do you call it? Internet.
Yeah.
YouTube. I was just wanting people to know. You to know that he does get with women.
Did you know that he got on the internet and threatened Stephanie's life and her grandkids and the grandbabies? Well, not directly, but indirectly.
Yes. And
So
she said,
terrible.
She said that he is livid at her.
I bet he is.
Well, he said, don't be expecting no $40 next time. From now on, you just get 20.
Well,
She told her, and he said, I don't know why they call you Superhead anyway, because you surely ain't super at doing your head.
Oh my
wow, what a dick, dude, what a fucking asshole.
She said, I hope you're happy to me. She said, for running my mouth.
It's your mouth to run.
I said, he don't know my number. He don't know my name.
Yeah, I don't know.
She said, I got a bunch of chaos. She said, on account of you, there was hundreds of comments.
Yeah, tell him we don't even know each other. I don't know your name.
No, I didn't even tell my name.
And see, the reason I kind of like screened your call earlier is because
I'm scared.
you figured, yeah, I thought it was somebody else, so that's why I screened your call. But
And she told him that he done it.
I'm glad you called. I'm glad you called back, by the way. Okay.
She told him, she said, well, I told my friend, but I didn't know she was going to call proV and tell all that crap. He said, I told your ass not to tell no damn body. Why are you telling that big mouth white bitch for?
Whoa. I know. You know what? He's called me a lot worse over email, so it's okay. It's no problem.
No, me. He called me a white bitch.
Oh, you. I thought he was talking about me. Oh, yeah, that's not.
He told Superhead, he says, why did you tell that white bitch for that she sucked him off?
Oh, okay.
He said, because she's my friend and I tell her things and she tells me stuff and I just didn't think she was going to be blabbing to proV about it.
Right.
He said, you know that girl's got the biggest neck and runs her mouth to everybody. I do not.
Right. Yeah, I you know what? That should be your opinion, and you should be able to say whatever you want, honestly. And if they have a problem with it, hey, don't do stupid shit.
He said I wasn't nothing but a country bumpkin.
He
said I was a redneck country bumpkin.
Well,
I'm sorry I can't help the way I talk.
Well, you know what he is? No, I think you have a lovely accent, by the way.
I love it too.
I think you know what he is? He's a drug dealing low-life piece of shit. He's 50 years old and still pays child support. Well, that tells you all you need to know about that guy.
She said, well, I hope you're happy. Now I only get 20. I said, well, my gosh.
Well, hey, come over to proV and you get a lot more. I'll pay. Tell her to come to proV. I'll pay her a lot more. But I don't want to get it. I'm serious. I'm actually. Go.
She said it tastes like fish.
Oh, that's nasty.
And after she said, I want you to swallow it. And she said, and when she said she swallowed it, when she got out of that army tank that he drives, she said she puked in the woods. She was just puking.
Oh, shit.
So if a man smells like fish, he got a bacterial infection or some kind of STD.
Yeah, or both, or both.
That ain't good. She said that he had a lot of cologne down there on his area, like cologne.
Oh, that tells it all. That tells it all right there. Man, I wish I could do an interview with you, but that would probably get you in trouble, huh?
Yeah.
Well, can I block my number?
Yeah, hell yeah.
I mean, what do I say?
Just everything you just said. Everything you just said.
Yeah, and I read the comments.
Yeah.
I said something I was racist or prejudice. No, I'm not. because I said I've never been with a black man.
Yeah.
I don't know why I said that.
It's okay. If you haven't, you haven't. It's not a big deal. It doesn't mean you're racist.
You know what? I've only had sex with one black woman. Hey, talk about me all you want.
I do got friends that are prostitutes, crackheads, alcoholics. I used to party.
Yeah.
But I don't know more.
Yeah.
I'm too old to party.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm 58 years old.
Yeah.
Dang.
That's not. I mean, I'm 42.
I just turned 48 today.
Yeah. I got a 36-year-old daughter.
Oh,
Nice.
dang.
Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, I know I sound like a kid, but I can't help it. The way my voice sounds.
No, don't worry about it.
You have a beautiful voice.
Listen, don't ever let anyone tell you that you sound bad because you have a country accent. Don't ever let someone tell you that. You sound beautiful.
But she told me that it tastes like cologne and fish together.
Oh, damn. Hey.
I went through it off my hamburger ate.
Hey. Hey, with your permission, could I edit some of this and put it in a video?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
All righty, we have permission.
And,
I don't want no money. I'm not on nothing.
right?
Okay, right on. Hey.
And what kind of nickname do you want? What can we call you? We don't need your real name. Just anything we can call you.
Call me Country.
Country. Okay,
Country.
that sounds good.
That's awesome.
So we know when we're talking to you, we can say, country.
Yeah.
And I'm Jen, and this is proV, of
And
course.
he told me if he sees my white country ass, he said he was going to smack me.
Oh, he better not.
No, he better not.
No, because if he does, I will go to the police.
I would too.
Yeah,
definitely.
do it. Definitely do it. Don't let him intimidate you. Call them. Call the boys. Call the police.
I got
Fuck
race
it.
in my pocketbook.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nobody's scared of him. Nobody is scared of him. He's not.
Now, I do one thing. I do train pills. That is it. Now,
Yeah, that's fine. Hey,
We don't judge you over here.
we ain't judging you. We ain't judging nobody.
Or meth, or heroin, or fentanyl.
Right. That stuff will kill you. That shit'll kill you.
I'm in recovery myself, so I know what it's like, and we don't judge.
No judgment. No judgment.
She got mad at me, and she told me she wasn't going to talk to me for a long time.
I'm sorry about that, Miss Country. That's not good.
It really hurt me. She said, "Why did you run your mouth for?" I thought I could trust you. I said, "Because I laid in the bed and I thought about it. Him going around telling you to put a bag over your head for 6 like you're ugly."
She's not ugly though.
I
She's
mean, that's
not.
the way he was like presenting it. I want you to put a bag over your head like you're an ugly woman.
Yeah. I don't think anyone's ugly. Beauty's in the eye of the beholder. And I just gotta say that's terrible that he did that. I just gotta say for him to do that.
He's been with other women too. He's been with Amy.
Oh yeah.
He's been with Chocolate. He got her a motel room. Chocolate told me.
Oh dang.
Yeah.
Man.
I mean, is he hard up? I mean, if he's got all this money,
Right.
why is he getting drug addict hookers?
I don't
They're
know.
cheaper. I don't know. I guess.
Escort service. It looks like you go to an escort service or
Right.
thing.
He's
He's pretty cheap.
His money is tied up in litigation for his freedom right now.
Yeah.
How does he stay on the air?
We do not know.
That's what I'm saying. How do you dealing with drug addicts and people that are dealing with addiction, and then you're sitting here having dealt drugs, opium and heroin,
Still
his
got
charge,
an open charge.
and still have an open charge?
Deposition.
And you're around these ex-cons. Isn't that, how does that work? I don't know. It blows my mind.
How does he make so much money on YouTube? How does that go? So if you don't watch the videos, you don't get paid, right?
Correct.
So I ain't gonna watch them. Hell no.
Well, you can do that.
You can watch them on our channel.
You can watch the reviews. So
don't even comment on them, right?
Yes, correct.
He'll just block you anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
I can't stand that KD.
No.
Oh, she's something else.
I used to like her in the beginning. She's a dirty dog.
What if you heard about Katie? Has she what does she actually do with these men? Because she's saying, "Oh, I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing."
My boyfriend about a year ago.
Say again?
$100.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because he's in a wheelchair.
Say that again.
Yeah, and I don't do nothing. I had a hysterectomy, and he told people I don't give him sex.
So-
And she said, I know you're old, we don't give you sex. Give me $100 and I'll play with it for you or jack you off. He said, you got Dean, Hollywood. I don't give a shit about him.
Oh, shit.
She said, he's going to be dead in a few years anyway.
Oh, man.
And she said, hell, when I do meet Bunny, he just helps smoke it up. And I said, you ever try to proposition my man? I'll kick your ass. You won't have no teeth left in that damn water.
That's right, country. You tell her.
And she said, you try it. My mom will get me out of jail.
So who propositioned your husband with $100? That was Katie, right?
She said, if you give me $100, I'll give you something, whatever you want.
Oh, man.
Get the big check. It's $700 a month.
Dang.
And he told people one day he was drinking that, and he told Katie in Hollywood that I didn't give him sex. And I guess when she was drinking and she remembered what he said, I guess she thought, hell, I'll get with him, because since she don't give him no sex,
Yeah.
get with him.
Wow,
And
that's
we don't want her.
that's
He
something
said,
else.
well, somebody was a little bit halfway decent. He said her mouth is what messes her up. Her talking, her actions. She's just. I don't know what anybody sees in her.
I don't know. But hey, is there anything else you want to talk about before I let you go? I could call.
I don't care if you put me on the air. I ain't got nothing to lose, no way.
Yeah,
Okay.
if you want, think maybe you could brainstorm and maybe call me back tomorrow night.
Yeah, like come up with something you want to
How about the same time? About
What time is it?
it's 10 o'clock in your area.
It's 7 over here.
So does that sound good?
Yeah, he's been with Chocolate, Amy, KD, remember, showed her cooter to him, and he's jacked off. Hollywood was at the hospital, and he said, pull your pants down, let me see that thing you got between your legs. I'll give you some money.
Whoa.
Yes, she told me this.
She told you. Oh, shit.
She said that she's been with, she said she didn't have sex.
And you know what?
The only thing he did to her was one thing. As he was jacking off, proceeded to jack off and come, he was fingering her while he was jacking off and, trying to get aroused.
Yeah. Wow. So.
And when he comes over, he does them interviews.
Yeah.
And Hollywood's there, and Crystal's there, and Mike's there, and knowing that he done that, does she not feel a little?
She doesn't feel a little shameful?
And they act like that damn $40 is a damn million, don't they?
Yeah, they sure do. They sure
she
do.
acts like she's got a hot cherry over there, so I could believe she would do whatever with Greg.
And
and he said she was gorgeous.
Ugh.
Oh God, you know what? I believe you. I believe everything you're saying because they got mad about what you said before. So what you're saying now, I believe what you're saying about Katie.
Yep.
I got no reason why. Hell, I don't want the man. Hell, I don't mess with black men. I don't care about money, tell you the truth.
Yeah, that's just your preference. That's just your preference. And anyone got a problem, whatever. Hey, whatever. It's her preference, guys. It's her preference.
Yep. And
All right.
Country, we will talk to you tomorrow night.
Yeah, thanks for calling.
10 o'clock.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely. Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Can't wait.
Can't wait. We'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.